This is the final straw. I cannot wait for the winter to be over. Hey everybody, I'm Lauren. Welcome back to Furniture Flipping Teacher. This piece might look a little bit familiar to you guys. We launched this video just last week, but we have had an issue come to fruition on this piece, and we wanted to make a video about it because we need to share the struggles that come with furniture flipping. You know, it's not always great things, and so we want to be able to share the good sides and the bad sides. Story time. We were bringing this piece out to the front of our shop so that our client could come and pick it up. And right when it hit the sunlight, I immediately saw something wrong with the dresser. And what I saw was that the top coat on it was crackling, and I could just see cracks all over the surface of the dresser, and I knew that that wasn't right. I had never seen something like this happening on any furniture flips that I had previously done. I was so confused on what was happening on this dresser. So I took to Instagram, and all of our followers over there are super knowledgeable. If you're over there following us on Instagram, thank you. And if you're not yet, definitely go give us a follow at Furniture Flipping Teacher. But that's not the point. The point is I took to Instagram to see if anyone had any ideas on what in the world was going on with the top coat on my dresser. And lo and behold, we had several people reach out and say that, you know, we think it's because of the extreme temperature changes that are going on. And I was just, again, super confused because, well, we painted it inside and we have controlled temperatures inside of our shop. And so again, super confused, but then it really made sense because the more I thought about it, the more I realized that there was very fluctuating temperatures with this piece. I had it inside when we painted and primed and top coated, but when we brought it out here to the staging wall, I left it out there for about 3 or 4 days. In that 3 to 4 day period, our temperatures here were literally going up and down, up and down. We hit negatives, and then we were all the way up to 50 degrees. So that fluctuation was not great for the curing part of this dresser, and when it cures, it really needs to stay in that temperature controlled area, which now I know, and I'm sharing this with you guys because you guys need to know this as well. So from now on, lesson learned, we are definitely going to be staging the furniture and then putting it back inside of the temperature controlled room. But I do have to make this dresser right for my clients because it is a pretty decently priced piece of furniture, and I do not ever want something going out of the shop that I am not completely proud of. So we're gonna get to work on fixing this guy up. I probably could put it in the warmth and see if it gets back to normal, but I just don't really trust that. So I am deciding that I'm gonna go ahead and sand it all down, and we're gonna repaint and re-top coat. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's sand. not playing around when I told you guys that I am literally redoing this entire piece. So let's go ahead and put some primer on. Practice makes perfect. The second time around, everything is going together from what I can tell so far pretty well, but I've got to get this hardware on and then we'll pull it out to the sun to have the ultimate test and the final look through. You guys ready for this? Let's check it out. Remind me never to do this again. As you guys can see, the finish on this is just so much better than the original finish was. I'm very pleased with the way that the dresser 2.0 came out, and I can't wait to deliver it to our client. You guys, this is just a public service announcement. Don't paint in the cold. Don't let your pieces cure in the cold. The temperature fluctuations this time of year can be very drastic, so just make sure that you're paying attention to the weather and that also you'd bring your paint indoors into a controlled area as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this saves you guys from the trouble of going through what I went through, and keep your pieces temperature controlled. We'll see you guys on the next one, and I'll see you on the flip side.